This guide will walk you through a series of actions to build the pairing into order cashback agent. This agent is designated for financial or sales department to gain insights into orders and cashback through multiple dimensions, while also generating reports. This agent applies chatbot applicant type. Please create a blank agent. Then add and connect the blocks as shown. There is no extra settings within Start block. Please directly configure question classifier. Choose GPT-4 as language model. Set the input variable as sys_query. Then define the question class. The maximum time range is 30 days, so we set the class based on the validity of time range. One is within, another is out of range. Let's configure direct reply out of range class firstly, as this scenario is much simpler. Fill in the reply codant to remind user re-enter a valid time range. Add the tool to query the order data within the time range. For the tool, it's an API interface. Please paste the API path. As for the input variable, it is defined in the interface. Now, we should build the next node. Bekasubi agent generate text report and also pie chart. We need to divide two branches to complete. For text report, please set the language model, then enter the prompts to define how the agent act, such as role, calculate rule, and more. Choose the sys_query as user finally. For pie chart generation, it requires adding variable aggregator to extract relevant parameters. Set up language model and input variable, then add the target extract parameters. Type prompts into instruction, which decide the raw data and mappings. Next, set up the input variable on pie chart block. Please choose the parameter which is extracted on the last node. Configure LLM analysis report node, which generates and organizes the report, connecting both text report and pie chart. Choose target language model, then enter prompts including role, skills, workflow, and more. Set up the final node, direct reply. Add the variable into the answer, containing analysis text report and pie chart. For better user experience, you can add a conversation opener following the path highlighted. Enable the feature, then edit opener. The content will guide the user on a conversation. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to build a TMS pairing into order cashback agent.